guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janice, and today I'm gonna be doing a huge haul. Like I realized today that I didn't go back to school shopping for my kids for clothes. I don't know why. I thought they had clothes, but apparently children grow and I wasn't aware of that. So yes, my children need clothes, so I have 2 big old bags of clothes from Target. I went to Target just to get a few shirts, like 5 shirts each. So that would have been 20 shirts max. You know, 5 for the daughter, 5 for the twins, and 5 for Jackson, and 5 for the other twin. So it's 2, you know. But I went in there and I was like, oh, this is cute. Ooh, this is cute. This is cute. Oh my gosh, this is extra cute. Oh no, they need shoes to go with this outfit. And before you know it, I racked up over $300. So, anywho, let's get started. So, for Miss Destiny, I got her this little shirt. It says, how to do a somersault. So, it just explains how to do a somersault. And this was $6 or $7. The Cat and Jack shirts for girls are $6 or $7. One of the two. I don't know. And this one is just a pink one, and it says, it just has musical things on it. So that's that. And then I have this other pink one that says, it is okay to make mistakes, keep trying. That's a good little saying. So that's that for her. And then we have more shirts, because I just couldn't stop at one. And it says, kind heart, fierce mind, brave soul. So yeah, that's what that looks like. And this was $6. So all the t-shirts were $6. So that's for my son. And then I got her this little jacket. I was like, this is so cute. Like, she could throw this on with some leggings and some nice little boots and, you know, a nice little scarf, and it should just be, you know, cute. And this was, I believe, $14.99. So this was $15. So that's that. I couldn't stop there. I was like, she definitely need a long sleeve shirt, just in case it's a little chilly outside, you know, she can throw it on. And it says, do all things with kindness. So the theme of my school, back to school this year, I figured would be, you know, centered around kindness. So I got them a bunch of stuff that says be kind and stuff like that. Not that that's gonna stop kids from being mean to them, but I'm just saying. So I got this other one that says friends forever, because my daughter is a little, you know, she likes to have friends, and I don't know, she's unlike her mother. And she has I got her this little white one, and it just has panda on it. So it's the only white shirt that I got, because white in my family do not stay white. So I try not to get anything that is white for any of my children, because it does not stay white for very long. So I didn't get her a lot of white tops. And I'm just, don't mind me, I'm just picking through clothes though here, because I just want to show you guys everything that I bought for her. So, and then next I got her this little plaid shirt. Like, it is so cute. And this was, I believe, $14.99. And I wanted to get her some, you know, some cute little tops that she could wear apart from t-shirt, because I realized that she's growing up and, you know, she's not a baby anymore. So I'm trying to, yes Maddie, I'm trying to switch up her style a little bit. So I got her that. And then I believe that is all for tops. I believe that's all I got her for tops, but I could be wrong. There could be more. And if it seems a bit dark in here, it's getting dark outside, and I think this is all the sunlight we're gonna have all week, because it's supposed to rain. So yeah, and then I got her this t-shirt right here, and this one says blues, jazz, soul, rock and roll, reggae, hip hop, R&B, pop. So it's just music. Yeah, you get the gist. I saw this shirt and I had to have it for her. It says kindness begins with me, which is so true. So I got her that little shirt. It is so cute and so adorable, and yeah. So I think that's it for the tops for her. I think that's it for the tops for her. I'm not 100% sure, but don't leave yet. Don't leave. And then I just got her some leggings. Her father does not like her wearing leggings. I like her wearing leggings because, for one, Destiny does not like anything that's tight on her, like jeans and stuff. She likes to be comfortable, and I believe children should be comfortable in the classroom, because if they're not comfortable, they're gonna be focusing on the fact that they're not comfortable and don't learn anything. So I like for her to be comfortable in school, and I get it. I get the argument that he makes. You know, it makes her look grown up, or you know, men are gonna look at her and she's just a baby and all of that. But you know, these are nice breathable material, and it's just, this one has a bit of sparkle on it. I don't know if you guys can see it because of the light, but yeah. So I got her that orange one, and then I got her this blue one because I realized that I was picking up a lot of color, and this just have, you know, a little bit of detail on the leg. I don't even know what's on the leg, and I think it's a heart and stuff. And yeah, these were $6. And then I got her this, you know, school one. It has a lot of stuff on it. Yeah, $6. And then another one. She likes tights. She loves to wear tights. So I got her that one. And what else did I get her? Tights. I got her this beautiful skirt. Like, I love this skirt. It's long in the back and the front like this. It has a shape going down to the side. I don't know if you guys can see that. And it's just like that. And I was like, oh, that's so cute. I want to have it. So I got it for her. And that was $14.99. So yeah. And then of course I got her some jeggings. I was gonna get her jeans. I think I got her one pair of jeans, but I was like, she likes to be comfortable. These are nice and stretchy and movable, and you know, she can play in these. So I just got her this one. It has a little bit of star on it, and it's a little bit of faded here, and it's just nice and cute. So yeah. Then I got her a black one, and these were, the jeggings were on $12.99. So yeah, this was $12.99. the other one was $12.99. so that's just a plain black one. I'm trying to hurry up because I don't want this video to be too long. And then I saw this and I had to have it. It's not a jegging, it's actual jeans, but it has this heart, glitter heart on here, and then the leg comes down and it's nice and skinny down here, and it's just folded up, and hopefully it fits her and looks nice on her, because jeans don't really fit her well. And this was $17.99, a bit pricey for me, but it's cute nonetheless. So I think that's all the stuff I got for Miss Destiny. She got the bulk of all the clothes because she needed it the most. And then I went and got some t-shirts for the boys. So I just got this long sleeve black one, just the basic, you know, just something nice and comfortable for them to wear. And then I got these long short sleeve shirt. This just says 73 on there. And then I don't know about this one. It looks kind of childish. They're going on 11 years old, so I don't know if they'll like this, but yeah, it's kind of hard to shop for my older kids because they're growing up. So, and this one just said be kind, and it's blue. Jordan, go back and do what you're doing. And then this one is just, yeah, I don't know what I was thinking when I got these prints, because they look kind of childish, and this is not what I was going for, but they're cute nonetheless. These were $7 a piece. A bit more pricier than a Destiny when it comes to, and then I picked up this and I didn't realize that it had the v-neck. V-necks look horrible on my children. I don't know why, but it looks horrible on my boys. And all these are in the size 12 to 14. My boys are smaller than my daughter. And then it's just this other, I don't even know what to call this, but the material is so soft and comfortable. And I got this one as well. right there. And then I got this red long sleeve basic. I was just running through the store. It took me less than an hour to pick up all these stuff, throw it in the cart, and get out of there, because I was like, I don't like the feeling of my kids don't having clothes to wear to school. And then this just says attitude is everything. And then it has a little saying on the bottom. I don't even know. Have a good one. Yes. So that's that. And then I realized that they didn't have any jeans, so I had to get them jeans. And then this was on sale, clearance actually, and it says rad. So that's that. I got them these this pair of jeans. It's skinny. Their father don't like them wearing skinny jeans, but it was too cute. It has like a little distress right here, so I figured Jordan could wear this because he's the skinniest of my boys. So I figured he could wear that. And these are size 14, so I don't know if it will fit them. They are a bit, Jordan is on the skinny side, but I didn't want to get a 12 because I wasn't sure of the length. So I didn't get a 12, but I went ahead and got a 14. If they don't fit, I can take them back and just get the 12. But I think 14 is, you know, right up their alley. If not, I can take it back. So this, and the jeans were $12.99. And I got this little shorts because it was on clearance for $10. So it's just like that, and it just have a little detail on the pocket right there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, that was. I missed you, Mommy. I missed you too, baby. And then this is, I believe this is for my daughter, but I found it in the boys section, and it was just a size 12. So I think my daughter can wear this. I don't know. I wasn't sure who. I don't know. But anyways, that's it for my haul. That's all I got, and I just figured I would share it with you guys because I noticed I didn't do a back to school haul. I didn't do any of that. And yeah, the shoes. Anyways, I did get them some pair of shoes. I don't know what I was thinking. I did buy them shoe already. But I figured last year they wear the same pair of shoe and they broke them down so bad. It was really bad. So this year I figured I buy them, you know, enough pair of shoes so that they can switch it out. And this is just a basic black pair with white trim around it. And then I got Jaxson another pair of shoe because I also don't want him to be wearing the same pair of shoe all year round. So, and this just looks like that, and it's really cute, really pretty. So that's that. So the twins can wear the black ones in and out with, interchangeable with the shoe that they already have. So that's that. I'm tired, I'm done, I'm beat. Today was the first day back to school and I'm just exhausted. So without further ado, I'm just gonna end this video and call it a day. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.